Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening Google Photos and navigating directly to Library, right arrow Utilities, right arrow Locked folder. You must authenticate with your device lock now. This ties the folder to system-level security. Once unlocked, tap the three-dot menu to access settings. Make sure you understand why device lock is required. Google doesn't use a separate master password. It leverages your phone's secure credential store to protect content. So first steps: authenticate, open folder, and reach the locked folder settings menu to modify credentials. Once in settings, locate the option to change how the locked folder is secured. This appears as change device lock or enable biometrics depending on your phone. You will be asked to re-authenticate. Enter PIN, pattern, or use fingerprint, because the system updates the folder's key material with the new credential. Make sure to read prompts, because switching methods rewrites access keys. If you enable biometrics, confirm backup PIN. If you revert to PIN only, verify that it's different from an insecure pattern. To finish, lock your device and reopen Google Photos to verify the new lock method works. You should authenticate with the newly selected method and gain access. That proves the change completed successfully. If you can't unlock, don't panic. Try the previous credential first, then rerun the change flow. If problems persist, update the Photos app and your OS, reboot, and repeat. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched system backups or outdated OS often break credential updates, so keep software current.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.